I used to work at a place called AdKev Incorporated. The long description is that it's an automotive Tier 2 plastic injection molding company. They make plastic parts, a lot of plastic parts, pallets of plastic parts. There are different kinds of plastic parts, HVAC pieces, wire connector brackets, electronic casing, and insulation pieces. What makes AdKev so good in their business is that they can create the same part repeatedly over and over and over again. What does that mean? It means a part with dimensions 20 millimeters by 30 millimeters and a depth of 10 millimeters is always going to come out 20 by 30 by 10 with micro or even nano amounts of deviation. To do this, they make a repeatable manufacturing process and a repeatable inspection process. Manufacturing quality is an impressive thing. In the classroom, we make things with our hands. In Intro to Communications classroom, we've made 3 iterations of the BattleBot. Typically, all of them have the same base model design, but not every one of them is alike. Maybe we put a screw in a different slot or a different gear ratio for our wheels. Any manufacturing plant doesn't have that same luxury. Their customers rely on them to output the same part over and over and over again so that they can make the same F-150, Tesla Model 3, or Honda Civic over and over and over again. How do they do this? Manufacturers set up a repeatable manufacturing process which they iterate enough times to prove that it creates the same part again and again. They prove this through an inspection process, measuring the same part feature or reading the same injection pressures or welding temperatures. They set up their floor plan so that they have everything that they need to make their product at the place that it should be. And anytime they think of a better layout or a more exact process, they prove it out again and adopt it. Companies rely on their production members to perform a series of steps, sometimes referred to as 5S: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Some also refer it to 6S, adding safety to set, sort, shine, standardize, and sustain. Since our classroom isn't making multiple projects over and over and over, or even just one project with that same level of precision, we have adopted an idea that has been adopted for more project-based workshops called 3S: sweep, sort, and standardize. At the beginning and end of each class period, we take 10 minutes to sweep or clean up, sort, meaning organize any components or tools that are laying around, and standardize. The standardize S is the most confusing one. In our classroom space, the wood shop, or the electronics lab, that means 2 things: standardizing a process with check sheets or work instructions, such as organization maps, or searching for organization or manufacturing methods that make the workspace more functional. The question that you should be asking for standardize is the workshop perfect? And if it's not, take steps to make it perfect. Make a check sheet so that everyone knows how to clean up a certain cabinet. Organize the tools so that it's easier to complete the classroom unit or project. Make the workspace better. Hopefully this video gave you some ideas before jumping into our next assignment. Have fun, and good luck!